Testing, 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 testing. We are launching right now. 6:30. March 1st, hardcore number one. Hardcore number one. Let's go, baby. It is muddy and low. To. We got him in the boat. That was horrible. Nice one. Close your mouth. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna wrap around this island here. Years ago I fished out on this side, and on a low tide like this, those fish will kind of just hang out there. And hopefully when I go over there, they'll just be like, it's waving at me saying, hello, welcome to our home. And I'll pitch stuff in there and hopefully get a bite. And I'll let him go. Let him go back to his friends. But thanks, buddy. Appreciate the time. better. Good trout. Thumping pretty good?
No, not really.
That's how that red was. It's like, he hit it, and I'm like, oh, he missed it. And I kept twitching. No, he hit it and ran out.
Lip. That was a mistake. It's crazy how sharp their teeth are.
What, trout?
Yeah.
Yeah, I lipped mine. Oops.
Yeah, that's what I just did. I chewed my thumb up.
My thumb chewed up like I caught, like 10 snook over 40 inches.
Or a big trout, either or.
Looks like an upgrade. Looks like one of the big boys.
Damn, son. I'll just swim it. Maybe.
Just a feisty, short, fat one.
Yeah, that one is, that one hit it like a freight train.
Hit it with authority.
Yep. Hit it to kill it. That's for sure. Absolutely garbage, that bait. Not even. Not even hooked, he was just wrapped. Hook was like in his gill slot. Alright, buddy, let's put you on the board. See what you're at here. Nope. First one was still bigger. Nope. About ½ inch shorter than the other one. That's not a trout. Well, that's nice.
23. Not bad. Not bad. All right, we need a snook. I must have threw that right on his head. That was instant. Yeah. Yep. I don't think he's gonna do me any good, but that's all right. I must have threw that right on his head. So I clicked the bail and it was there. Look at that, fell right out. That's weird, right? What are the odds of that? That's another trout. Damn. That might be an upgrade. Find trout, but we can't find our snook. Bro, just relax, buddy. I'm gonna let you go. Just relax. It's another right stuff minnows fish. Okay, chill. Chill. Oh my God. Just relax. Let you go, buddy. That is an upgrade. A little bit of an upgrade. Alright, I'm gonna wipe myself off here. Sweet. Going right there, 22 on the dot. I love releasing them like that. All right, update. We're making a little bit of a pedal to an area that I haven't fished in a while. Seen a lot of mullet. Just upgraded our trout to 22. Still looking for that snook. Need that snook. I think right up here, hopefully, will be where they're at. Just want to get that slam. Got a 22-inch trout, 23-inch red, and no snook. Just need a snook. I don't care how big it is. Just want to get that slam, you know. It's 11 o'clock. Tide's coming in. It's looking good. Perfect conditions for this. So just got to find that snook. I think we're gonna find one back here. There's two things I think it's gonna happen. We're gonna upgrade our redfish back here, I think. And I think we're gonna get our snook. All right, everybody, we made it to the end of the video. As you can see, I shaved since the tournament, which was this last weekend. And got the kayak right here. Got to do some little repairs. I got a crack that's been there for about a year right next to the scupper. And boy, that wind is whipping right now. I can hear it on the garage door. It is whipping. It's been windy all day long. Had a front come through earlier this afternoon. But so I want to go over the tournament real fast. First off, nobody slammed. First time ever. I've been doing these tournaments since 2008 when it used to be on freaking MySpace, okay? This is the first time we've never had a slam. So 2 fish, took the win. Only 2 guys caught snook out of 21. Unfortunately, I was one of the guys that didn't catch a dang snook. I did everything I could possibly think of that I've learned after fishing this area forever, and just everything I could think of just didn't work. I had one chance at a snook around, I think 11 o'clock, 11:30 on top water. He popped it like 3 or 4 times. I don't know how they don't get the hooks. You know, it was on a Skidder V, brand new hooks, brand new everything. Just didn't get the hooks. It is what it is. Tried everything I could possibly think of, different baits, different tactics. The snook just weren't cooperating. Let's just put it that way. Ended up in 5th out of 21. Buddy Rick got past me at the very last second. He got a really nice trout, 23 and a half, I think it was. I think he had like a 20, 21, upgraded to 23. Props to him for getting past me. I think his redfish was a skosh bigger than mine too, so I think he got me by like 2 inches. So he got 4th. First place was a 31-inch red and a 21-inch trout. Great job to my buddy Rick, another Rick. So we got 2 Ricks in the top 5. And so on and so forth. So, yeah, man, it could have been way worse if these guys did slam. We could be down by 30 inches, but luckily I'm only down by 8 inches. There's still 5 more tournaments the rest of the year. Still plenty of time to come back and win this thing, so not too worried about it. I got my money back for entering the tournament, and we did up the pay on there. I think first place this time with lunker pool and first place, $700. That's how it used to be back in the day. We didn't have lunker pool back in the day, but I know our tournaments used to put out, you know, first place when it was first, second, third, putting out $500-600, you know, or $300 to $600, whatever. Our payouts are a little bit better now, so hopefully that gets more people to fish these things. Pretty much, you know, you guys know the deal. I was throwing, if you didn't know, now you know, I'm fishing Shimano products now. This is the 2nd year fishing Shimano. I'm dipping my toes in some Jew Loomis stuff. I'm having a lot of fun fishing the Jew Loomis stuff. I got some Pro Blues. Absolutely love that. When I fished the Florida Fish Series last July, I fell in love with that Pro Blue. Caught a lot of nice fish on it. So I'm throwing that a lot. A couple of Terramar Double X's. And then I went a little bougie this last week. Captain Dave Blanchard talked me into getting the dang Conquest rod, which is like a Shimano Jew Loomis collab kind of deal. The thing is insane. Put a little twin power FE on there. Goodness gracious, that thing is ridiculous. But man, I'm really having fun fishing the Shimano stuff. I'm having fun fishing the rods, the reels. We're fishing Power Pro line now. Who would have thought, right? Who would have thought? I haven't fished Shimano since like probably 2015-ish, the end of 2015, 2016, for about a year when I was fishing the CI4s. Fished some of the FKs. I remember that back in the day. So it's good to fish that stuff. I'm having a lot of fun fishing it. And of course, everything else is the same. Z-Man Plastics, Mirror Lure, some Rapala stuff. I'm not affiliated with Rapala, but I do like some of their products, especially that Skidder V. That's our favorite topwater now. Throw some BKK hooks on there and you're set. Not affiliated with them either, but just like good products. So yeah, man, tried everything we could think of, just didn't work out. And like I said, I don't know if I did say it or not, but I gotta fix this kayak here. Got a little crack down there on the scupper right there. Got myself a welding kit, gonna fix that guy up. And yeah, man, got a lot of time left. Hopefully we can get this tournament thing going again. For some reason, I feel like there's just so much more for me to learn. And you know, every trip I go out there, you're learning something new. I just feel like there's got to be another level. I need to take it to the next level. You know what I mean? And we're gonna figure it out. There's got to be something else that I'm not getting in my mind with this inshore fishing thing. There's got to be more to it, and we're gonna figure it out. And we're gonna have one hell of a year. That's what I'm thinking right now. So, hey, I appreciate you guys watching. I got 3 or 4 trips that I haven't downloaded the video on. I'm gonna probably put out here in the next couple of days. I just haven't really had the time. Just a lot of stuff going on right now. Just work and gym and just enjoying things. So I just haven't really put anything together. But I appreciate you guys watching, and if you have any questions regarding anything I'm fishing with, any questions about fishing, message me in the comments. Instagram, Jesse Wright Fishing. Facebook, Jesse Wright as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again. Peace.